To connect a Ledger device to a Robinhood account, it's necessary to start by setting up the Ledger wallet. This involves ensuring the Ledger Live companion app is installed and configured. Within the Ledger Live app, install the specific app for the cryptocurrency being transferred, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, generate a receive address by opening the Ledger Live app, clicking the Receive button, selecting the cryptocurrency, and continuing. Open the cryptocurrency app on the device to obtain the wallet address and copy it. Then, open the Robinhood app and ensure crypto transfer is enabled. If not, verify identity, complete any necessary verification steps, and provide required details. Enable two-factor authentication, noting that enabling crypto transfer may take up to 5 business days. Once enabled, initiate the crypto transfer from Robinhood to the Ledger device by clicking or tapping on the script at the bottom of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency to transfer. Scroll down and click the Send button. Enter the transfer amount and continue. Click the Enter Manually button. Paste the copied wallet address and review the transfer details. Confirm everything, including the wallet address and transfer amount, to complete the transfer from Robinhood to the Ledger device. This process connects the Ledger device to the Robinhood account, allowing for cryptocurrency transfers.